today we're going to talk about, the rocket evolution of SpaceX, what Elon Musk kind of came up with. So background, the first Starship was launched in 4/20/2023, kind of funny about that. The objective was, not blow up stage 0, but, stage 0 kind of took significant damage. A lot of his projects did, first off. And what was special, it's the most powerful rocket ever built. So first rocket that was kind of built was the Falcon 1 rocket. First successful launch was in 2006. A couple other launches before that blew up. He devoted a lot of time to himself and his projects. Payload was very small, 165 kilograms, small satellite. One Merlin C1 engine, which we'll talk about as we keep going forward. That's why it's named the Falcon 1. It was the simplest design. He also didn't want to go bankrupt. This was back in 2006. He didn't have anything yet. Next, we'll move into the Falcon 9. So, as you can tell, there's 9 Merlin 1D engines. That's why it's called Falcon 9. Total launch is 219. First successful was in 210, so quite a while after. A lot of development and engineering. 4 successful landings. So Elon kind of wanted to reproduce these things, well, not reproduce, reuse. So these rockets kind of break apart top sections in space, and it comes down and lands on its 4 legs. And there's 177 total landings with only 219 launches. So then we move into the Falcon Heavy. So as you can tell, there's 27 Merlin 1D engines, which is double. So you got both your Falcon 9s on the side and then another one in the middle. First successful was in 2018. Total landings were only 11. So, there's not a lot of landings on this one. The main rocket in the middle, that's the one that's going to land in the ocean. The other 2 kind of land simultaneously on the ground. Wish I had a video, but kind of hard to put in this. Then he's got the super heavy one, which is, 33 Raptor engines, which is, even increased from the other ones. So it's, very heavy. Kind of funny how he does that. First successful was in April 2023. It was designed to auto-destruct because he doesn't have the engineering or, everything completed. But that's why, even throughout our school, we have to keep going and kind of not get discouraged. You got to fail and try again. Payload is around 100 to 150 tons of material. So it's designed to go to Mars and kind of bring us to Mars. So on top of that, there's going to be a Starship. So at the bottom, you're going to have your other one, as you can tell. So super heavy, Starship's up here. Starship's going to break apart and, populate Mars. So this thing will be reused. That was the whole, concept of his first Falcon stuff, is to reuse everything. So the Starship will come back, land itself, be able to get back onto another super heavy rocket and fly off again. So rapid reusability and high production. That's it.